Hello everyone. So in this video we're going to discuss about bamboo rice benefits, bamboo rice nutrition facts and how to use bamboo rice and more. Let's get started. So what you see on the screen is the bamboo rice nutrition facts as per 100 grams. So 100 grams of bamboo rice, it gives you almost calories of 356, fats 0, protein 8.9, carbs 77.78, sugar is completely 0, cholesterol is completely 0, and you get fiber of 2.2, which is really a good nutrition facts of using bamboo rice. So let's talk about bamboo rice, how to use on various method. You can use this rice as a normal rice. You can replace your white rice or any other rice. Also, you can add this as a payasam. You can cook it, and what you see on the screen is the various method where you can use the bamboo rice. Let's start talking about the benefits which you've been waiting for. Let's talk about the benefits of bamboo rice. First thing is, because of its low glycemic index, it is throughout to be a healthier option for diabetic patients. It also helps to strengthen and energize the body. It also reduces joint pains, diseases like arthritis. It aids in the prevention of constipation and, if any, colon cancer. It is also low in fat and also aids in reduction of bad cholesterol. It controls blood pressure. Bamboo rice is benefited for nerve health. It also eliminates toxics from the body. It has more benefits of bamboo rice, so make sure that you add this rice in your daily diet. And in case if you want to buy this rice, the link is in the description where you can buy. Cash on delivery is also available, and it's also 100% organic. Hope this video helps you. Take care. Bye.